Welcome. Myself Nakul Sandhu and my assignment topic is on renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. So let us first know about what are natural resources. Natural resources are those resources which we get from earth in their existing form and also which are removed from the ground like oil, coal, etc. Natural resources are separated in two categories, renewable and non-renewable resources. Let us know the difference in both. Renewable resources of energy are not depleted and can be replenished again and again even after their usage and consumption, whereas non-renewable resources cannot be replenished in short period of time. And majority of non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels. As we know, it takes millions of years to occur. That's why they are limited in nature, whereas renewable resources are available in very large amount because it can be renewed or reproduced again and again. Renewable resources are an energy source that are able to supply a continuous source of clean energy. Clean energy means that they don't pollute the environment. Water, crops, wind, soil, sunlight, and are some of the example of renewable resources. And the renewable energy are biomass energy, wind energy, solar energy, water energy, that is hydropower energy, geothermal energy, etc. So let us discuss about them in detail. First is solar energy. Solar energy is inexhaustible and also is considered as the clean energy as it does not pollute the environment. It is basically the energy which is derived from the sun. It is also considered as the most vital source of energy for life, as a plant which is prime source of energy and food for plants make their food using sunlight. The process is termed as photosynthesis. The energy derived from sunlight can also be used for various purposes like generating electricity, heating water, cooking, etc. Second is wind energy. The wind is also a type of renewable energy that does not pollute the environment. Hence, wind energy, like other renewable resources, comes under sustainable energy only. The most common form in which the wind energy is used in the present scenario is as wind turbines. The main purpose of it is to generate electricity. But how does it work? As we know, energy cannot be created and destroyed but can be changed to one form to another. Same here, the kinetic energy in the wind is converted into mechanical power. That mechanical power is converted into electricity, and transformer converts electricity to appropriate voltage, and then electricity can then be stored or transported to grid for distribution. Third is biomass energy. Biomass energy is the energy generated by using the organic matters like plants and animals' wastes, woody fuels, municipal solid waste, etc. This source of energy, like other renewable resources, also comes under clean energy as it does not harm pollutes the environment. A biomass plant can be developed at a minimum cost. Fourth is hydropower energy. The water stored in dams or the flowing water of rivers also possesses a lot of potential to generate renewable and sustainable form of energy. In this, basically the kinetic energy of flowing is converted into electrical energy, which is then used in household in the form of electricity. Fifth is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy means heat energy which is generated and stored on earth. Geothermal energy can also be used to generate electricity, in which cold water is circulated. The earth crust heat can convert it into steam, which can be used for generating electricity. Geothermal efficiency is the least in all the given sources of energy. People can capture geothermal energy through geothermal power plants. Now we are discussing about non-renewable resources of energy. These resources cannot be replenished in a short period of time. They cannot be renewed or reproduced. The majority of non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from the remains of tiny sea plants and animals that died hundreds of millions of years ago. Dead plants and animals sank to the bottom of the sea, buried by sediment and sand, which turned into rock. Pressure and heat chemically change the mixture into hydrocarbons. Petroleum, natural gas, coal, propane are the fossil fuels that we are used. Because it takes millions of years for these energy sources to form, we consider these sources Non-renewable. Now, petroleum. Petroleum is also known as crude oil, which is found in geological formation beneath the Earth's surface. Oil wells are dug 6,000 to 20,000 feet below the Earth's surface. Primary use of it is transportation. Now, natural gas. Natural gas is a type of petroleum that commonly occur in association with crude oil. A fossil fuel, natural gas, is used to generate electricity. The chemical name of natural gas is methane. It is colorless and odorless. It can be transported by pipeline. Now coal. Coal is a fossil fuel. It comes from the remains of plants that died about 100 to 400 million years ago. Coal is a non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. Coal is a rock created from buried plants that lived and died hundreds of millions of years ago.